Hi everyone, this is Jared, AC7WH, Backyard Ham Radio, and I have heard back from Palstar regarding my warranty claim for my LA-1K amplifier. So these are the instructions, and I'm going to demonstrate what happens when I follow through with these. So number one, on a frequency where you have low SWR, transmit and verify that TX amp is displayed. Okay, well, I'm using a dummy load with virtually 1-to-1 SWR. So let's check for TX amp. All right, checking for TX amp, and yes, I see that. TX amp is displaying. All right, so far so good. All right. So now it says on upper sideband or lower sideband, well, I'm on upper sideband, on the 20-meter band, transmit one word. Then, while keeping the mic button pressed, stop speaking and observe what the ID, which is current draw, amperage, is reading. If you get 0.9 amps, we have a failed output transistor. 0.1 amps would be not transmitting and reading fan current, which is what you see it's doing right now. If this test fails, the unit should be returned, and there are instructions provided for what I should do in that case. All right, so let's go ahead and try this. I figure I might as well have fun in the process, so for the one word, I will literally say the word, word. All right, here we go. Word. Well, you probably saw that. 0.9 amps was displayed there. And what does that mean? We have a failed output transistor and I need to send a unit back. All right, let me show you that again. Let's see if it's repeatable here. Word. Yep, it's definitely repeatable. Alrighty everyone, well, looks like it's time for me to do a warranty claim. Thanks for watching and wish me well. This is Jared, Backyard Ham Radio, AC7WH 73.